honored to have with Mr. Hassan Khawer, Special Assistant to the CM and spokesperson of the Punjab government, with us today. And I would request to Mr. Hassan Khawer, a guest of honor of this occasion and convocation, to please deliver the roll of honor to our brilliant students of Lahore Lead University.
Second category is Roll of Honor and Medal awarded to the candidates with CGPA 3.94 and above but less than 4, provided that the candidates have passed all courses, thesis, projects, practical, etc. in the first attempt, without repeating a course for improvement of CGPA within prescribed time of degree. As well, no disciplinary action has been taken against the candidate by the university, and the recipients are Muhammad Naveed Sarwar, Master of Philosophy in English Linguistics; Sumayya Kainat, Master of Philosophy in English Linguistics; Mudassar Niaz Khan, Master of Philosophy in Mathematics; Zafar Iqbal, Master of Philosophy in Urdu; Kiran Sajid, Master of Philosophy in Mass Communication Research Track; Aisha Islam, Master of Philosophy in Education; Rashid Minhas, Master of Philosophy in Mathematics; Muhammad Sajjad, Master of Philosophy in Politics and International Relations; Javeria Munir, Master of Philosophy in Psychology; Ashna Sadiq, Master of Philosophy in Computer Science; Habiba Amir, MSc in Psychology; Anna Waheed, Master of Philosophy in Education; Samina Tanveer, Master of Philosophy in Mass Communication Research Track; and Saman Tariq, Master of Philosophy in Psychology.
Now I would request to the Honorable Chairman, Board of Governors, Lahore Lead University, and the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Lahore Lead University, to present souvenir to the guest of honor.